हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे 8 अप्रैल का इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़पेपर में जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है, जो भी हमारे एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड है और पूछे जा सकते हैं, वो मैं डिस्कस करूँगी। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट वन इज मोस्ट वल्नरेबल अवेल्ड फ्यूअर बेनिफिट्स ऑफ PMJAY। तो हम देखते हैं इसका मेन क्या है। तो a detailed analysis of प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना PMJAY, the government flagship health insurance scheme, shows those most vulnerable, whether in terms of state, communities or gender, haven't been able to use it as well as the relatively better off. Share of SC and ST in private hospital admission across the country was only 5 to 2%. States like Himachal Pradesh and Kerala with low poverty and disease burden used the scheme more than poorer states like Bihar, UP and Assam. And number and value of claims were higher for men than women. More vulnerable groups accessed care through public hospitals. Next, need to ease University Commission rules. UGC Chairman Mr. Jagdish Kumar had said universities need to reorient admission policies to move beyond rigid boundaries of streams and enable mobility of students across the disciplines in the light of the changes proposed in the draft national curriculum framework for the class 11th and 12th level. Saliva test can be game changer in the early detection of Alzheimer. A nanoparticle present in the saliva can now help in the early detection of Alzheimer and Parkinson's even before one shows any initial symptom. The biophysics department of AIIMS Delhi has invented a technique which is claims can be a game changer and holds the potential to transform the diagnosis of the neurodegenerative disease. तो पहला हमें ये पता चला कि अल्जाइमर और जो पार्किंसन है ये क्या होता है, न्यूरो डिजेनरेटिव डिजीज़ होता है। सेकेंड कि एम्स दिल्ली के द्वारा ये टेक्निक डेवलप किया गया है कि सलीवा के थ्रू हम अर्ली डिटेंशन हम कर सकते हैं इस डिजीज़ का। न्यूरो डिजेनरेटिव डिजीज़ लाइक अल्जाइमर एंड पार्किंसन हैव इम्पैक्ट ऑन मिलियंस ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स ग्लोबली। मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा इसका इम्पैक्ट है पूरे ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड में। The nerve cells lose their capabilities over time and leading to the death of the cells in the brain. तो मेनली इसका क्या है, ब्रेन से रिलेटेड है ये, और ये काफ़ी खतरनाक भी हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं not just saliva but blood samples can be also used for early detection with the help of minimal equipment. The particles can be characterized easily with the use of a routinely used technique ELISA. An application has been filed to patent for the method of simultaneously. A kit is being developed for the use at hospitals and diagnostic centers. Scientists put a number of life-saving capabilities of trees at Aravali Park. What is carbon sequestration? Capture, removal and storage of carbon dioxide from Earth's atmosphere. It is a key to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Two major types biological take place when carbon is stored in natural environment like forest, grassland, soil and water bodies. Geological carbon is stored in places like underground geological formation of rocks. Over 2 lakh trees at Aravali Biodiversity Park have 917.9 tons of carbon worth of rupees 12.4 crore stored in them. बिहार सर्वे मार्क्स ट्रांस पीपल एज अ कास्ट स्पार्क्स प्रोटेस्ट। तो ये जो न्यूज़ है ये very important for BPSC, Bihar, SI and other upcoming exams in Bihar. So let us start. The Bihar government moved to designate the third gender as a separate caste in the ongoing caste survey has triggered protest from the transgender community, who describe it as a criminal act and that will create many complications in future and also deprive them government sponsored welfare schemes, reports the second phase of कास्ट बेस्ड हेड काउंट फ्रॉम अप्रैल 15, तो 15 अप्रैल से जो है वो सेकेंड राउंड का कास्ट सेंसस जो है वो स्टार्ट होगा. द थर्ड जेंडर जनरली आइडेंटिफाइंग किन्नर, काठी, हिजरा, ट्रांसजेंडर एज अ सेपरेट कास्ट. Resma said the fresh move would lead to various complications as they would face problems in making ration card, PAN card, Aadhaar card and residential certificate etc. The Bihar government included transgender in the OBC list in the light of top court order and now it is identifying up as a caste, she said. State Social Welfare Minister Madan Sahni suggested the transgender community people approach the department concerned if they find any issue with the current caste-based survey. Maharashtra announces 1% quota for orphans in education and government jobs. At rupees 272 crore annually, HP to bear expenses of 6,000 orphans. मतलब हिमाचल प्रदेश जो है वो एनुअली जो है वो बियर एक्सपेंस करता है कितना, तो 272 करोड़ रुपीज एनुअली. Ukraine war plans leak online prompts probe by Pentagon. Ukraine officials says it is likely a Russian ploy to discredit the counter-offensive. Some Russian pro-war military bloggers call it work of Western intelligence. China sends warship aircraft around Taiwan for second day. China sent warship and aircraft near Taiwan for the second day on Friday and said island remains its inseparable part. Next is Israel strikes Lebanon after rocket attack from militants. Israeli fighter-jet struck parts of the South Lebanon and the Gaza Strip early Friday in response to an early unusually heavy rocket barrage from Lebanon on Thursday, and the Israeli military blamed on Gaza-based Palestinian militants with branches of Lebanese territory. Global food prices fall for 12th month. The benchmark index of international food commodity prices declined for the 12th consecutive month in March, driven by easing prices of cereals and vegetable oils and food, the Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations said on Friday. Singapore fund team SEC takes over Manipal in $2 billion plus deal. In the largest deal in India healthcare space, Singapore sovereign wealth fund Temasek Holdings has bought a majority stake in Bangalore-based Manipal Health Enterprises for over $2 billion rupees. $2 billion. Manipal Health Enterprises runs India's second biggest hospital chain, Manipal Hospital, with 29 hospitals across 16 cities. Apollo is the country's biggest chain. Forex kitty snaps too big rise as gold reserves dip. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching it. Thank you very much. Thank you.